This new method of posting YouTube shorts is game changer, and if you're out there, you are posting your YouTube shorts and you've not tried this new method out, then you are missing out a whole lot. Because in today's video, in less than 6 minutes, I'm going to be showing you how to properly upload your YouTube shorts and get the desired result you want and get over 1,000 views. I've recently been doing it on my channel and the results are amazing. So right now I'm going to be taking you through with the aid of a screen record to show you step-by-step process of how you can actually upload your YouTube short the right way and get 1,000 views. So what you simply need to do as usual is to click on this plus sign, which is for you to upload your YouTube short. Now go ahead and select a particular short video. Let's select this particular video. Then you have to go ahead and click on next. Now after you click on next, it's going to bring you up here. Now if you are posting random video, that is, you're posting random video on your shorts, do well to make use of popular trending sounds. Like these sounds are going to really help your video come up on home page and also sound page. But if you are a type that posts video directly, maybe from your long form content, you post some part of it to your shorts, this same method is going to also work out and you're still going to see the same result. Now once you get to this extent, there's no need of adding sound, but if you wish to add sound and maybe reduce the volume for it to be playing as the background music, then feel free. So once you're done with that, one of the most important thing is give it the best eye-catchy caption. And if you're a type you don't know what to type as a caption, that is why you have your ChatGPT, you have your Meta AI. Go ahead and tell it to generate a good eye-catchy or attention grabbing caption for your short video, and it's going to deliver. Now once you're done with that, you click on next. So when you click on next, it's going to bring us to this particular page. Now I forget, if you want to add a custom thumbnail to this particular shot, now let's go back to the screen. Yes, click on this card. Let's assume that I want to add thumbnail to this particular shot. Now what I simply need to go ahead and do is to click on this arrow and it will bring me here. Now let's go over and select a particular thumbnail. Now just go ahead and click on the image that you want to use for your thumbnail. Now you click on done and go ahead and click on this mark. Now you have your thumbnail alongside with the video that you want to upload. So the most important thing you also need to go ahead and do is to click on this place and go over to that thumbnail. Try to reduce the duration so that it can just pop up at the end. Now this is optional. This is if you really want that particular shot to have a thumbnail, but it's also very important. Now click on done and you have your thumbnail ready alongside with the video itself. Now the next thing you need to do after putting your caption and maybe adding a sound to it, go ahead and click on next. Now once you click on next, it's going to bring you here and this is where the business starts. Give it the best short catchy title you can. It's not a long form content that you go ahead and bombard it. It is meant to be short, so make sure you use a very short title. Now after giving it a very short title, please use 3 hashtags. Anything more than 3 or 4 hashtags, it is way too much. In fact, it might not even contain the space. Use 3 hashtags. Now the two hashtags should be related to the video, and the other single hashtag can be hashtag viral short or hashtag YouTube short or hashtag trending short. This particular thing is working like magic. Now once you're done, go ahead and choose all the important settings, which is selecting no to authored content, then this add promotion label no as well. Now once you're done with that, you can add it to a related video on your channel. It's very important. Add it to a related video. Now after that, the most important thing now is, you see this option that says visibility. Go ahead and click on it. Now once you click on it, take it to unlisted. Do not choose private, do not put it to schedule. No, make sure you put it on unlisted. Now once you're done with that, go ahead and click on upload. Now once the shot is finished uploading, this is the way it will look. Now go over to your YouTube studio immediately. Now once you get to your YouTube studio, go ahead and click on that particular shot for you to edit every other single thing remaining. Now click on this pencil icon. Once you click on this pencil icon, you're going to get the opportunity to add description. Go ahead and give it a very good description. Do not make the description too long. Now, after adding description, you can now add either 4 or 5 hashtag. Please do not bombard it with too much hashtag. Just 4 or 5 hashtag is actually pretty okay. Now, once you're done with that, you have to come down here and also add it to a playlist. Now you can decide to create a separate playlist to your short video and also a separate playlist to your long form, or you can even mix it up, whichever one you want. But it's better advisable to create playlist separately for your short form content. Add it to a playlist. Now once you're done with that, another most important thing is this option that says more options, tags, short remixing and category. Click on it. Now click on this tag section and generate tags relating to the video. Then come up here and paste it. Guys, if you're able to be doing your YouTube short this way, you're going to start getting more views. And after this, I'm going to be taking you to some of my recent shorts and showing you every single thing and how you need to place it. Now once you're done with this location, try to always leave it empty. Now after you might have gotten this, just go ahead and hit this upload, this save option. Now once you hit this save option, it's going to automatically upload on your channel. The reason why I won't be doing that is because I don't want this video to be posted on this my main channel. Guys, if you're able to do this thing this way, the same result that I've been getting on my YouTube short lately, you are going to get that same result and even more, most especially if you're using a trending or viral sound. Now I'll be using this particular short video that I posted 3 days ago as an example. Now when we go ahead, and you can see from the screen here that this particular short is performing very well, likewise the other ones that I just posted yesterday. Now let's go ahead and click on this pencil. Now when you click on this pencil, you will see that look at the amount of hashtag I use for this particular short. This short is just about me going to the bank to withdraw my YouTube paycheck. You can see the kind of hashtag that I use. Now let's go ahead and click on this description. You can see the description, you can see the tags that I use. Actually this tag is too much. I'm going to go ahead to re-edit it after this video. What I'm supposed to use is like 4 or 5 hashtag, because of recent YouTube is really again adding too many tags, too many hashtags to your video. For the tag aspect, you can use as many tags as you want, but when it comes to hashtag, please do not allow it to pass highest 6 hashtag. That is under this description, but under this title here, just about 3 hashtag is enough. Now after this description part, let's go over to this tag section. You can see all the kind of tags I use for this video. All the tags that I use, they are related to YouTube paycheck. That is, every single thing has keyword relating to YouTube paycheck and how much YouTube pays. So if you're able to learn how to optimize and post your YouTube short this way, that is by posting it as unlisted first from your main YouTube app, then come here after fixing all the settings, go ahead and click on save. That is, it will upload. Now if you don't want it to upload, you can still go ahead and take it to schedule. But first of all, from that your main YouTube app, keep it unlisted. From this place, now if I don't want that particular short video that we're working on earlier on to post that minute, maybe I want it to post tomorrow morning, I can now set it as a schedule. After setting it as that schedule, setting the date and the time, then go ahead and click on save. It's still going to drop the same day and the same hour you want the video to drop on your channel. So guys, if you're able to start posting your YouTube short this way, the kind of result that I'm getting on my channel is still what you're going to get and more. Alright guys, this video is getting too long. If you find this content helpful in any way, please do well to like this video. If you've not yet liked it, do well to subscribe to my channel and do well to share this video so that I can get to a whole lot of people. Always, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.